right, the humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the bowl here, and when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring back a snap?
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
I'm a potato.
You're a tomato.
Potato?
No.
I said I was a potato.
Come here, Olivia. Come here, Missy. Come here, Addie Mae. Come on, guys. Who's going to win the race?